Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K40, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So firstly, you have to go to settings, then you have to go to the about phone section, then go to the factory reset, then tap erase all data, then tap factory reset, then wait for the 10 seconds, then tap next, like this. Then wait for another 10 seconds and then tap OK. And after that your device will be restarted in a couple of minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.